Another hectic day at the restore. Chris is here. There's Chris's pile that he's taken. There's put this Brone out, move that over here, put this out. I think most of this was here. I put that Westinghouse thing out. Most of this was here. Let's see here. Put that out. Put that Crafts Made out. Two of these are still here. Some of the other stuff sold. Put this Encon Imperial out. We're making headway on the stuff in back, although there's still tons of it. There's Grant with a vintage light fixture. I think this is kind of cool. It belongs in like an ice cream parlor.
Yeah.
There's Chris doing Chris things. Lightsing. Back here. This is what's back here. Another Emerson. Delta, Bayport. A whole bunch of stuff we haven't gotten to yet. It's kind of crazy. Come visit. You can take some fans away. Thanks for watching.